Hello my friends again. I would like just to tell you today a very interesting thing. I will possibly divide my video into 3 parts, and today in the first part I would like to show you something very interesting which I discovered about that particular model. This is the model National RX C-60F, also as equivalent National below. Okay, so this is the National model, which was produced in Japan, and those 80s, very nice looking model. I wanted just to share with you one small thing today. I was lucky to get that unit with the manual instructions, which was made presumably for the Asian market, English, Spanish, Japanese, Korean and Arabic language. I will show the operating instructions to you a little bit later. Okay, what I wanted just to tell you today, I have got this model with a power cord. Yeah, the power cord was there, the manual instructions, the power cord were delivered to me like that. A very interesting thing about that power cord is that it has the special adapter which you can use in the United States or Japan or in Europe, like that. Just you need to switch the power consumption here through the voltage selector. Yes, it was interesting to discover. I also have one National Panasonic model RX 5150. Also, it was delivered with a power cord to myself. So let me first show you those 2 different power cords to the National Panasonic RX 5150 and the National RX C60. So this is the model 5150F. If you take it apart, it is just like chrome, like silver, and it has this sign on the cord, right? Which means this sign of National, yeah? So that means that we have here the original power cords of National, also the sign of National on it. Okay, but what is interesting, this RX C60 has got this adapter which is in the color of gold. I have the golden ring here, Yeah, maybe this is also golden. Yeah, and it is. Yes, because today in today's electronics they use gold and platinum to produce the microchips or some very difficult technical electronical parts, because the gold is a very good electrical conductor. So that is why there was the reason possibly that they made it of gold. Yes, but maybe it is not gold, but who knows, maybe it's kind of brass or whatever. Anyway, okay, and this model had this very interesting word on it, Japan. Yeah, so this is the Japanese power cord directly. Let me just have a look at another one. no word Japan. Okay, it doesn't mean it is not Japanese, but anyway, this is very interesting that they have on this power cord the word Japan engraved and written. Okay, all right, let me shortly just try to have a listen. Have a small piece of music, line in. Let me just try it through my Technics CD player, which I switched onto the national through the line in, and like that. Okay, it is sounding so well. Let us have a listen. Okay, that was the short demonstration of this wonderfully sounding unit, Panasonic RX C-60F, or FA. FA means Australia. Okay, that was the first part of my video today. See you next time. If you like it, give it a like. If you're not, don't give a like, but I hope you will. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.